accompany you to listen to some great news, some actual news, and some latest news in this sunny morning. The first about natural disaster and heard the first news, Semarang Flood PUPR Public Works and Public Housing Minister because of extreme rainfall every 50 years. Minister of Public Works and Public Housing PUPR Basuki Hadi Muljono stated that the flood that occurred in Semarang, Central Java, were due to extreme rainfall. In addition, flooding is caused by high tides. Therefore, according to Basuki, the role of water pumps in dealing with floods in the capital city of the Central Java is very important. He also asked that the revitalization of the river in Semarang be continued, especially for the floods that hit the Kota Lama Semarang area, said Basuki, due to the high rainfall that was already in the extreme category. From the hydrological calculation, the return period is very 50 years. He said, during checks in the Kota Lama area and a number of flood locations in Semarang City, Saturday, February 6, 2021. Basuki explained the drainage in the Kota Lama's area, which has been completely revitalized, has been designed to prevent flooding. However, 3 water pumps have been operated to pump water to Semarang River. Previously, it was reported that a number of areas in the city of Semarang were hit by floods due to the rain that falls from last Friday to today. The BPD, Regional Disaster Management Agency of Semarang City, note that floods hit various points in 10 sub-districts in the city. The news I could present to you, and if you have some suggestions and critiques about this program, please visit us at www.mon.co.id. Finally, I'm an all-of crew of men. Say have a wonderful day. See you and bye-bye.